What's going on? It's Roger, F31 Club. So it's been about a little over a month since jccs happened, and the week and a half prior to jccs, I rushed to put my car together, and one of the things I really needed to do was the suspension. And so I had a lot going on, is because I I decided to go to JCCS last minute. So, anyways, I got hubs from my buddy Edric. He gave it to me a while back, but one of the hubs had like cut um, lug nuts, or not lug nuts, wheel studs, and so like my with my wheels, the lug nuts wouldn't be too tight. So I had to get another set, and that happened like a few days before um, JCCS. And so shout out to my dude Colin, who gave me who sold me his hubs. Only one I could find right away. But not only that, when I started putting everything together, I realized I was missing the hub nuts, and that was the one thing that I was like, I might not even get the car together if I couldn't get these in time. And I was about to go down to um, uh, Santa Cruz area, to evil.co.jp. Um, my dude at like 11 o'clock at night was like, I'll open the shop for you if you need to grab whatever and blah blah blah. And I was like, I just need the hub nuts. But then luckily I didn't have to go that way, because my buddy Caleb, he was like, I can grab everything. And so he let me grab the hub nuts. And the next night, after we all got off work, and the day before I headed down to LA, he brought everything, his hubs, all the bolts, and just in case, we were like, I was missing something. So luckily I was able to get the hub nuts off him. I hate cannibalizing other people's cars, but I was just so desperate, and so I have everything now. So I got to return all that stuff to him this weekend. But let's kind of go over. So the other thing too is how to tie up the ABS. So I got ABS hubs, S13 hubs. I'm gonna have this all redone at the machine shop this weekend. I got new hub nuts, as you can see here. I also got new bearings here, so I'm gonna press those in. Also for these wheel studs, I got a whole bunch of there. And also with my BC Racing, I know one of the shocks is bad, and so I, went to contacted BC Racing and got one for it. So there we go. I'm gonna try to get everything taken care of this weekend. Eventually down the line, I want to get bags, but I have to take care of the main project car first. This is all of a sudden. But if you know how I am, if I'm there, I typically like to try to make everything new. So that's what I want to do with all this, is just refresh it, and then this is the stuff I'm going to use. Anyways, yeah. So have a good night.